So, what we have here is the ASRock X870. On the surface, it looks like a standard motherboard, but it's actually a localized instance of a gigafactory. It's fundamentally profound. Currently, the socket is, well, it's suboptimal. It's basically a legacy system holding back the progress of civilization. Then we're going to be performing a full architectural swap today, orders of magnitude more complex than landing a booster on a barge. If this goes wrong, we've essentially bricked a piece of future history. But if it goes right, we're looking at a 10,000% increase in cool factor. Let's dig into the first principles of thermodynamics. Extremely hardcore. Let's go. All right, we're beginning the thermal optimization phase. We're essentially simulating the re-entry temperatures of a Starship heat shield on this ASRock board. If we don't reach thermal equilibrium within sub-micron tolerances, the flux will become sentient. It's basically physics 101. High stakes, extremely hardcore. Removing the legacy architecture now, this socket was actually a bottleneck for human consciousness. By removing it, we're increasing the bandwidth of the X870 by roughly 420%. It's an unscheduled disassembly, but intentional. We don't need old tech where we're going, which is Mars. Obviously. Now we're wicking away the old solder. The best part is no part, and the best solder is no solder until I say so. We're cleaning these pads to a level of purity that would make a vacuum-sealed laboratory look like a dumpster. If there's even one stray atom of lead here, the Cybertruck's windows might break again. Concerning. Time for the final docking sequence, aligning the new AM5 socket with sub-10 micron precision. If this is off by even a fraction of a millimeter, the motherboard will only be capable of running Dogecoin miners. We're flowing now. Beautiful. We've just saved the future of computing. Big if true. And there you have it. This ASRock board is no longer just a motherboard. It's a multi-planetary compute node capable of simulating the entire history of the universe in a single clock cycle. It's fundamentally profound. If your current hardware is still living in the horse and buggy era of the 2020s, you need to send it to us immediately. My team of extremely hardcore technicians who sleep on the floor of the repair shop will perform this surgical procedure with the precision of a Neuralink implant. We're basically upgrading your silicon's DNA. Post-repair, your PC will likely develop a sense of humor, start questioning the SEC, and achieve 11 out of 10 on the Turing test. It's a complete rewrite of the fundamental physics of gaming. Click the links in the description to initiate the docking sequence for your board. If you don't, your frame rates will become a national security risk. Very concerning. We're aiming for a 100% success rate, or at least a very high energy explosion. Interesting. Looking into it. Mars is waiting.